Now moving on to week 4 for this course, we see the focus of this week now cater to assessment design and tools. So throughout this week, we were able to understand the ways in which achievement charts work, how backwards design charts work, and also how AI can be incorporated within classes to further education and understand how to adapt with technology rather than push it away. We have to understand that this is a part of our society and something that we will be dealing with. First, starting with AI, we can see how it is used rather than just something to complete tasks for our students, how it can be used as a way to research, as a way to enhance certain parts of their project, to give them as a tool, essentially. We can even use this within backward design for ourselves, understanding that we are giving the AI a goal in mind and then saying, hey, can you please break this down to a single lesson in which I'm able to teach my students? This is something that I spoke just a second ago about. It is understanding how to adapt with the times rather than disregard it, something that is essential for us. We as teachers are going to be faced with technology, new technology coming in every single year. Every single generation comes with new technology and new tools. And rather than foregoing this, it's best to just understand how they can be used best for us. If somebody doesn't want to use AI, that is 100% within their right. From personal experience, I'll be honest, I don't think I will use it, but it is something good to know that is there and to know how to use it if my students are wanting to embrace it. This backwards design as well leads into the chart that we made as a group too. This is what I was speaking about within week 3, understanding how to properly do backwards design, focusing on UDL and DI centric themes within our chart. We were able to focus on the mathematic number sense expectation within the grade 3 curriculum, just kind of brainstorming and bringing it forward ideas of how we're able to translate this information, ways we're able to convey a certain goal, how we're able to check on students through observation or conversation, understanding what the final product should look like, and kind of essentially just designing the ways in which we are able to flesh out this idea, which is to have them understand number sense and number relations from one number to another, representing numbers in multitudes of ways. This then leads us to our final main subject of the week, which is achievement charts. This can be seen in traditional rubrics that have levels 1, 2, 3, and 4, with categories such as thinking and understanding, knowledge and understanding, thinking, communication and application, and how this compares to single point rubrics, which show off certain just in clear, concise information and points what students should be gathering from this assignment, what they should be focusing on when creating this assignment, and just as an overall guide to make sure they're creating the best work they can possible. This is on us as teachers, and something I've really focused on and tried my best to adapt with and understand is how to make information clear and as concise as possible. I want to ensure that that my students are able to understand a rubric I give them, and they know exactly what is being asked for them and exactly the ways they're able to excel and go past expectations if they really choose to do so. Something that I will obviously push for them to do, always to do their best. And this is amazing for us as we're able, as educators now, to understand this vital piece of design and within assessment, and how this process is essentially one of the first steps in creating a well fleshed out and effective assessment for students. And finally, I will relate this to my exit ticket for the week, which it describes how I'm feeling within the course. As I felt really great this week. I came in prepared, doing all the readings. I prepped a great deal of notes. As you can see, I have them lower on this page within the site. And also, I just engaged with my PLC group and added meaningful notes to our conversation, hoping that we're able to have the best conversation as possible and really grasp and immerse myself in the information given.